Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now in this lecture we are going to see this sum. If sin a is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos a and tan a. Here sin theta is equal to sin a is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos of a is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Similarly, tan of a is equal to sin of a upon cos of a. Now we have sin of a is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. Opposite upon hypotenuse is equal to 3 by 4. Now we take a constant k which will be multiplied and divide to this sin of a. As this constant plays an important role, the magnitude can differ by that constant value, but while taking the ratio it will cancel out again. So now we have, let me draw a triangle. We'll get, so here it's A, B and C. Here let hypotenuse be 4k, BC be 3k. As this is theta, therefore opposite side is BC and BC's value is 3k, and we have to find this value. Now as this is a right angle triangle, by using Pythagoras theorem we can calculate this AB value. Therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here this is hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square by using Pythagoras theorem. Now AC square means 4k bracket square is equal to AB, we have to find, plus BC, that is 3k square. Now 4k square is 16k square is equal to AB square plus 3k square, that is 9k square. Now hence we will be getting AB square is equal to 16k square minus 9k square. Just we have shifted this 9 towards here. Now 16 minus 9, that will be equal to 16 minus 7 AB square. AB square is equal to 7k square. Now by taking square root on both sides, AB is equal to under root of 7k. Now as we have got the value of AB, we substitute here root of 7k, and here cos of A is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, that will be equal to root of 7k to that of 4k. And similarly sin upon cos, here 4k and 4k will be getting cancelled out, and 3 divided by root 7 into k. Here it will be 3 by 4 again, here it will be root 7 by 4 again, and here it will be 3 by root 7. Here we have got all the values of sin, cos and tan A. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Thank you.